Hello, it's Peter with Midwest. We're on a Perlastic job doing a watertight waterproofing on a storm trap unit. We're in Germantown, Wisconsin at Germantown High School. As you can see, the unit is just being installed and we're here early enough that we can go ahead and start waterproofing the interior of the unit. The concept behind this is the public school is going to reuse the rainwater for irrigation of their athletic fields. Storm Trap out of Morris, Illinois is the company that manufactured, designed this system. We're working with Noble Sewer and Water out of De Pere, who's doing the installation. This is a very, very good use of rainwater. It's progressive, it's preserving what the Creator has made, rainwater. It's so essential and so vital to our existence, and I'm happy that Germantown High School is taking action and reusing rainwater. Peter Bakke here, Midwest Coating Solutions, on another Perlastic job. As we discussed, we're doing a stormwater retention project with storm trap units out of Morris, Illinois. And I just want to point out, we're working with Noble Sewer and Water. It's a family business out of De Pere. One of the most important things about Wisconsin is Wisconsin works with small business. We're here joining with them on a massive project. We're going to get it done right on time and on budget. Work with small businesses, it matters. All right, so we're inside the storm trap unit at Germantown High School in Germantown, Wisconsin. This is a Perlastic watertight solution. What we're doing here with Aaron from AB Customs is waterproofing the interior of this unit. It's a multi-layered composite system. Perlastic is an asphalt emulsion. Not all that different from a lot of asphalt emulsions that are on the market, with the exception of our elongation. With 800% elongation in our product, nobody can come close to that. Since 2010, we've been waterproofing these rainwater harvesting units with much success. With all of them that we have in service, they're all holding water with no callbacks for any leaks or problems at all. Most of them are inspected annually, and quite a few of them do monthly measurements to see where the water is actually at. We're really proud of the success of Perlastic. Aaron with AB Customs is a young entrepreneur that's taken on waterproofing these units. Aaron, what do you think of the Perlastic product?
It's a simple product to work with. There are many applications that this can be used for, and the startup and the equipment used for the application is easy for a young entrepreneur like myself.
So what Aaron has done is he's laid a primer bed here, and he's beginning to put on the composite seam tape that we have. And what this is it's a butyl back tape with a geotextile on top of it. So what this will do is, if these units should ever decide to shift or move, with our elongation of 800%, we're going to tie all these joints in so that they'll never tear apart or leak or anything really will happen to it. Aaron, why don't you give us a little demonstration how easy this is to do. And because this tape is so pliable, the joints aren't quite uniform, so he can get it to mold right in with whatever the contour of the joint is. And the idea behind using the tape is we form a monolithic coating. So by the time we're done, there won't be any seams or joints or anything that could rip, tear, lift. It'll all be watertight. It's a Perlastic watertight solution. So as you can see, we're on top of the storm trap unit in Germantown, Wisconsin. All of this black seam tape that you see is installed on here as more of a soil control to keep the dirt out of the unit. We don't want anything to flush down into the system because all that soil fines, any of the fines from backfilling or that, wouldn't work real well in the system. The idea is keep water in the system, not dirt. Our Perlastic seam tape, it's a complete system from top to bottom, inside and out. Midwest Coating Solutions designed a system for waterproofing precast units like this storm trap unit. We work with all manufacturers throughout the United States, throughout North America, South America, Australia, Italy, and the UK. We've made this so simple that I can hold in one hand all the tools you need to install our system. Now you need proper PPE. It's important. Some of these systems fall under confined space. Some of these systems require regulations guided by the federal government, state governments, or local governments. So by all means, check with all local authorities for what is required for proper PPE. And always read the manufacturer's data sheets and follow all instructions on the packaging regarding personal protection, installation, environmental issues, and anything that might impact the performance of the product and your installation. When you work with Midwest Coating Solutions, we provide a turnkey solution for a complete package. We have the seam joint caulk. We have all the liner materials from HDPE geotextile to bentonite. We have all the seam tapes that you need. This is our geotextile butyl back tape for the integral seams. This is our soil and erosion control tape for the exterior of the units. If you want a one-source solution for all the products, contact Midwest Coating Solutions, your national Prolastic distributor.